Best blenders for smoothie. I would like you guys to stay to the end where I'll give you reasons why you should invest in blenders like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felzi. Today I'm going to be testing the best stone blender. Yeah, best stone blender. So I wanted to get a silver crest, which just look exactly like this one, but when I went to the market I couldn't find it. They had this one, so I said, all right, let's buy it instead of going back with the money. You know what happened when you go back with the money that you plan to do something else with? You end up using it for totally different things. So got this best stone blender. It's 100% copper motor, and this one is 3000 watts, and the jar is 3 liters according to them. I have already unboxed it, but I've already taken it out of the carton to test it to be sure that it's working. But right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to bring this all together and try. According to what I've seen, most blenders that have heavy motors like this and fast speed can blend bottle, can blend a lot of things. I would honestly prefer to get like a double jar. This is the one I'm talking about, a double jar. I would honestly prefer to get the double jar, but this particular one comes with just this, yeah. You see, they said it's 3,000 liters, but what I'm seeing here is 2 liters mass. I don't know if you guys can see it. Did you get that? Over here, it said 3 liters. They told me 3 liters. Well, that's what they wrote on the carton, 3 liters. But what I'm seeing here is 2 liters. Or maybe I don't understand what they were trying to say when they said 3 liters. Okay, let's just take this out. Sorry about the noise, but the most important thing you should note about blenders is the motors and its capacity, not the name of the product, because they come in different names, but the motor is the most important thing. Yes, this one good. How do I fix this one? Maybe here. Okay, from this. Oh, interesting. If you don't want to put this, then you just cover it with this. Okay. Enough of that. Let me just unplug this. Not long enough. Make do. Okay. Okay. Is it high enough? It should. So over here, I have beans that I'm going to be pouring. It's dry. I want to see if this thing can blend the beans very well. I'm going to pour beans in it. And it also said it can blend butter, right? Hold on, let me get butter and try it. Guys, so while I try to get the bottle, I just quickly want to include this in this video. So what I would advise you when you want to get a good blender, if you're planning to start a smoothie business, or you just want to make good smoothies at home that is very smooth, I would advise you get a blender that is above 3,000 watts. 3,000 watts and above can do the job. If you're lucky to get a blender that is 5,000 watts or 4,500 watts, beautiful because they have good engine. The speed is different, and it's going to blend very smoothly. So I have this bottle. uh what do you guys think? This uh okay, there's no need for me to laugh because I'm definitely not going to use my own. So I'm not going to use my blender to test with any bottle. I'm not ready to waste any money. So we're going to do just beans. So I'll go right ahead and cover this up. Okay, turn it on. Guys, so one of the problems I have noticed with my 3000 watts blender, which I know might be common with also 5000 watts blender, is that it is very loud. Like, the noise can scare you. This noise actually woke my baby up, seriously. And it also consumes a lot of energy. Within a short amount of time, you would know the energy that this blender has already consumed. But the good side is that it gets the job done fast and efficient. Wow, guys, the sound is so loud. Let me just take this out, move this back a bit. I hope you guys are seeing. No, look at that. Very smooth. Wow, this is so unbelievable. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I know that if I decide to blend any other thing, it's definitely going to blend very well. Like, I still have some here. It's definitely going to blend very well. But anyway, this brings us to the end of our test. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.